Minutes, carrots, peppers, and beans, so that they are not overcooked. Put a large piece of aluminum foil and plaster the meat flattening with hand. In the middle, put the six to one egg, and in the base, a strip of
Vegetables.
vegetables.
Then I cross over the roll and what the aluminum foil is filled close. It gets in pressure cooked for 45 minutes with water, salt and seasoning. Taking the roll meat from pressure cooker, we remove the aluminum foil and let it stand and serve.
Finish.
Finish.
Okay, very well. Thank you. Thank you.